Find the exact value of the following trigonometry ratio of pi is equal to theta is equal to 11 over 6 to pi. Do not use the calculator. All right, so that's the angle that is inside of the unit circle, 11 over 6 pi. Why? Because we've seen it before. So first thing you need to do is determine which coordinate x comma y to use for 11 over 6 pi. So how would I do it? First, you need which quadrant would that be? Terminate in, let's see, 11 over 6 to pi is in the fourth quadrant. Where's the fourth quadrant? Over here. So it's going to have a positive x and negative y. Denominator is a 6. So on the first quadrant, which one has a denominator of 6? The one at the very bottom. So it's going to be square root of 3 over 2 and half. So rah-lah, that's the x and y coordinate of the angle where 11 over 6 pi terminates in. Now, how do you find all the 6 trig ratio? Well, look at these colors. You use these coordinates, right? So these are the coordinates for the trig ratio. Sine is y, cosine x, y over x, cosecant 1 over y, secant 1 over x, and cotangent x over y. So let's go ahead and find it. There's my x and y. Sine of the theta, sine of 11 over 6 to pi will be the y value, negative half. Cosine of theta will be the x value, square root of 3 over 2. Tangent of theta is the y over x. I'm going to do it over here. Y, negative half, divided by the x, square root of 3 over 2. So how does that go? Fraction division is multiplied by the reciprocal of whatever you're dividing. So it's going to be 2 over square root of 3. 2 cancels out. I have negative 1 over square root of 3. You cannot leave your answer like that. Why not? Because you cannot have a radical in the denominator. So make sure you rationalize it to get negative square root of 3 over 3 for the tangent of the theta. Cosecant, let me just tell you easy way. Yes, you can just do 1 over the y value, but really it's just going to be the reciprocal of that negative half. So it's going to be what? Just negative 2. Make it a little easy, isn't it? Now secant of theta is a reciprocal of square root of 3 over 2. So it'll be 2 over square root of 3. Just like the tangent one, we need to rationalize it to get 2 square root of 3 over 3 for the secant of theta. Last but not least, the cotangent. I'm just going to use this one, the tangent one, and reciprocal, right? So negative 3 over square root of 3, which you can just multiply square root of 3 top and the bottom. To get negative 3, well, what is happening? Negative 3 square root of 3 over 3, where 3 cancels out, so it's going to be negative. Sorry, it's going to be negative square root of 3 for the cotangent. That's 3. I know it looks easy. You probably want to, when you do the problem on the study guide and the test, like without just reading it over, like actually stop and do it, because then you're going to find that, oh, this is not as easy as what it looks like, because it's easy to make mistake on those.